So this is gonna be the totally awesome interior cleaning. So I came across a couple of videos of this totally awesome that helps stains on to clean the parts inside the car. So I'm gonna do a test myself. I got this piece right here from the inside of my car. This is the elbow rest. As you can see, when I got the car, it was already like this. So I'm gonna soak it with some of this degreaser here and see if it's true what they say. So I'm not gonna spray it. I'm just gonna pour it and see if all this dirt just comes off. There's a really cool video I saw where when this guy took off the seats from his car and just poured this liquid on it and all the dirt just melted off. So I guess I'll pour a little bit more and then I'll take it inside and wash it down. As you can see, there's some yellow stuff coming out. So that must be dirt. Looks like they spilled coffee in there or something. Because when I got the car, the seats were a little bit yellow and I cleaned them up a little bit. But this is the dirtiest part that was in the car. I guess they never cleaned this part. This is actually removing some brown or yellow stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit for a while and take it inside and rinse it out, and I'll show you guys how it looks after. Second round. I decided to add some dish soap to it just to give it some extra washing power, you know what I'm saying? at this point it was already starting to look a little bit more clear gray, and I decided to end it with some more awesome, totally awesome. Alright, so I found this real good spot right here where the sun is beaming super hot, and I put the armrest, elbow rest right here on top of the AC unit as well, so it could try to dry it a little bit quicker. Not that bad. Liking the result so far. It looks way better than what it was. So out here, and this sun is gonna dry pretty quick. Probably give it like an hour. And I'll show you guys the results after that, after the drying. So I'll come back and check on it and make sure these fans don't knock it over or something. So I'll see you. I'll come back later.